Alright, let's go through this question. So question 1, we have a circular ink block is expanding such that the rate of change of diameter with respect to time is about 0.25 centimeter per second. So it's as good as saying dt is equal to 0.25. So they say find the rate of change of both the circumference and the area of the circle with respect to t when the radius is given to be 1.5 centimeter, and give our answer correct to your 4dp. Okay, so this one obviously is your rate of change question. So first thing we want to let's determine our area dA dt first. So before we can do dA dt, we need to form a equation relating to the context of the question, right? So they say it's a circular block, meaning that it's just your normal area equal to pi r square. So means for example, right, area is equal to pi r square. Of course I don't have r, I make use of the d lor. So diameter divided by 2 will give you your r, so means you'll get something like pi d square over 4. So this one is the so-called area formula. Okay, then after that we form the chain rule, the so-called chain rule equation, right? So always remember dA dt, right, is equal to dA dd. So of course the big D is the diameter multiplied by d dt. So this is something that we learned in AMS. Remember, right? So dd and dd, right, you cancel away. So what is left is on the right hand side is actually your dA divided by dt, which is equal to the left hand side. So it's actually a consistent equation. Okay, then afterwards, right, okay, so we have dt. So this one is something that we have, right? So is equal to 0.25. Okay, then I want to determine what is this. Always remember to know what is the thing that you want. So you want this thing, right? What about dA dd? Do I have dA dd? The answer is no, but I can find, right? That's where I need to use the equation right here. So for example, A equal to pi d square over 4. So what I need to do, right, is actually do the differentiation. I differentiate A with respect to D. Means like that. So you just simply the pi is just a constant 3.142. So just leave it aside. So 2 pi d over 4. So this will give you pi d over 2. So with this, actually you got this thing already. So means you got pi d over 2. So what you need to do, right, very simple. That's where they give us this thing, right, 1.5. So radius 1.5, meaning that sorry, not 1.5. Yeah, 1.5. So meaning that diameter is 1.5 times 2, which is 3. So this will give you 3 pi. 3 pi times 0.25. Okay, so with this, right, I will get a dA dt to be as such 1.178. Since 4dp, so 1.178 1. Yep, so it's 1. Okay. The next part will be the circumference. So for example, we want the dc dt. Okay, so same thing, I want to form the equation. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r, or what I should say, pi d. So there's the formula. Okay, so with this, of course, dc dt is equal to dc dd times dd dt. So you can see, apparently dd and dd is cancelled. So what is left is this. So this is your 0.25. Okay, so for C, right, equal to pi d. This is good because you dc dd, right? This will give you just pi. So meaning just this pi. So this will give you pi times 0.25. So this is about 0.7854. Yep, so that is how you actually do this question.